So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a storyboard. We are going to create a book trailer storyboard for an imaginary book. So welcome to this creative process. Okay guys, now we're going to get our hands dirty. We're going to create an imaginary story from our head, and we're going to craft out a book trailer so you can go through the process with me. And I hope this actually inspires and motivates you when you want to create your own book trailer. So join me. I actually just got this book today at the dollar store, and yeah, it's pretty nice. So I don't know if this is going to come out straight or bent, but let me try it and I'll see if I can switch it up when I'm editing. So yeah, I already written book trailer idea over here, and I'll just put it over my shoulder. Okay, I realize that this actually works doing it this way, so I'm going to zoom in a little and capture my screen. Oh, come on, you table. Okay, here we go. So we already have book trailer idea. I'm going to use a darker pen so we can all see what this young lady is doing here. Just a minute. So say for instance we want to create a book trailer for boy meets girl, falls in love with girl, and all of a sudden they're having problems. Boy is actually pretty is abusive in the relationship. Sorry, I'm bringing this in because of my sex education video. So the boy is abusive and the girl keeps giving him excuses for his abusive behavior, and her friends are telling her to leave him, and she's like, no, she can't, she has to rescue him, and blah 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 blah. Now we are going to create a book trailer for a book like that, and in the end the girl finally leaves him. Oh no, I like killing people sometimes. I want to say the guy ends up killing her or killing her dog, and that was when she realized that she had to leave him. So let's say, how does the story end? Okay, we don't really know the end of the story because we're not going to put that in the book trailer, because that's not what you want to do. Actually, you do not want to put that type of information in your book trailer. So first things first, you're going to have to think of what you want to say in the book trailer. Now bear in mind, this is not what is on the jacket of the book. So say for instance now I'm like happiness is subjective. Sorry, I'm being too serious because this is like on the spot book trailer creation from the story we just created. Happiness is subjective. I choose to be happy with him, but when he doesn't want to play fair, how do I feel? How do I feel? How did I write something else and say something else? How do I make him see? Make him see he is my happiness. Wow, I'm so smart. I just created this. So now this is the script we're going to make use of for this book trailer. So from this script, I can see we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Then I'm just going to do flash. Book comes in. Book page comes in, or book cover comes in. So this is already one frame on the storyboard. This is another frame of the storyboard, but we're going to later choose where each of them comes out in the video. Now I'm going to have to flip this book this way and read this other way. So the first storyboard, what we want to show for this type of thing, since it's almost like a trailer, I'll say the general thing is you have to use your imaginative mind, and also from what you've seen for movies, it's going to come in with a black screen. So this is me just doing my own, storyboard. I'm not following the, So this is the first scene or first act. We want a black screen to show. Then since I'm using Nigeria as the setting, since I'm a Nigerian lady, So the first thing we wrote is happiness is subjective. We can show, since it's more like a trailer, we can show, for me, I love videos that don't really show the faces of the characters, because it's a book trailer. You don't want your readers to create a certain image just because you're forcing that image on them, just like movies do, like, oh, this is the perfect. No, the beauty about reading books is that you can create your own, you can create a feeling that you want to create. You can create a character. You can imagine another dimension of a character. You get that? So I don't like showing faces, but if you want to show faces, you can show faces. But for me, I just want to show a couple maybe holding hands, walking down the street. So maybe their hands get to touch, because I love using videos instead of images. So I'm going to write holding hands, walking down the streets. So couple holding hands, walking down the streets. Sorry, my image is, So then I'm going to put this happiness is subjective here. Happiness is subjective because I want to add another image. I want it to span into this other frame. So I'm going to make the narrator say this. This is me using a narrator video. I'm not going to put a subtitle for this type of trailer. So I'm going to show two lips smiling. So there's a lip smiling or somebody smiling. Then the sound for this place. So sound, I'm going to use another color to do that. Don't mind me, I'm just that type of person. Sound, this is just to add added effects. Woman or people laughing. So this color is for sound. Oh my god, my pen is falling down. Oh, there we go. So there we have it. Woman smiling or laughing. Then after that, this is okay, so we don't get to forget mouth or lips smiling together. Happiness is subjective. Then we're going to also have another black screen, or so you want to take note of the sound, you want to take note of the video, and you also want to take note of the voiceover. Sorry, let's make this a blue pen so we don't forget the narration. Oh snap, come on. I honestly don't know what happened over here, but it actually, the video paused when I was doing this. So I explained that we're doing a transition over here with a black screen, just a brief, maybe 2-second transition. Then it moves on to show a couple lounging or looking over the sea or whatever theme the book has. Then we use the second voice narration that we actually wrote down here, and we'll put it up here. So that's, I can just write 2. So it's just one clip. So this could last maybe 2 seconds or 3 seconds on it. Then we need, but when it doesn't want to play, you can show a couple maybe arguing over here. It also transitions, black transition. Don't mind me, this is impromptu, so bear with me, but I guess you're seeing like how the idea and how the concept is actually growing and developing. So transition, then this is number 3, right? Yes, it is. So I'm tired of writing all this out, so we'll just write the numbers inside. But when it doesn't want to play fair, we could show, see how my imagination works. We could show a guy chatting on his phone, somebody holding a phone. Like I said, I don't like showing the faces of people in my videos, maybe their back or something, because like I said in my first video, except someone is a very good actor or you have stock photos, don't make use of people's faces if they're not professionals. So we could just show someone's hand holding a phone, then we put the number 3 narration. But when it doesn't want to play fair, bam, we place it in there. Guy holding phone, since it's guy holding phone, so it could mean anything when it doesn't want to play fair. Or you could show another scene, or put another option of a guy fighting or arguing with his girlfriend, and put that as 3, we could make that span for like 5 seconds. So this is 5 seconds, this is another 5 seconds, this was like 2 seconds, this is, let's make it 7 seconds. 7 seconds, this is 2 seconds, then the last one. How do I make him see he is my happiness? So I think I'll prefer using the fighting scene. So how do I make him see is my happiness? We can end it with something. We can end it with something that will make our viewers want to read the book. Like she finds him and she now would have to show the face of this person, since that's what we want to do. Like, how do I make him see is my happiness? Or we can show her burning stuff. Something that just gets the audience thinking. This could last for up to like, say 4 to 6 seconds. I've messed up the color code of this stuff, but I hope you get to understand it. Then this comes in, number 5 comes in. That's the book cover comes in with like purchase on so place, blah blah blah. So 5 comes in. So this is for if you're making a video and you're using narration and sound. So you're going to amplify the sound of people laughing here. You're going to amplify the sound of people laughing over here, amplify the sound of the grasses, maybe they're walking around the field or something thereabout. I'm going to amplify heartbeat, something that instigates fear, and boom, bam, we're done. We have our book trailer, and this is how many seconds? This 2 plus 7, that's 9 plus 2, 11 plus 5, 16 plus another 5, 21 plus another 5, 26. So you see I have 3 extra seconds to do whatever you want to do or elongate anyone. So now we move over. If we want to make this a text and a video segment, or should I make that a different video? So we can just get different pictures or just something plain. I would prefer using PowerPoint to do this. Do something plain, insert all the text in. So put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, happiness is subjective. I choose to be happy with him. But when he doesn't want to play fair, how do I make him see is my happiness? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can decide to take images from the internet. Go to places where you can find like free images like Pexels or freephotos.com, I guess. You can make use of images, or you can just make use of high definition backgrounds, transition them into each other. Let's use blue again for transitions. Transition them into each other and use nice transitions that that will contain that stuff. But most important for every type of trailer is the sound. So you have to make use of a sound that carries all these things. Maybe something sorrowful or something scary, like ooh, ooh. I wish I actually created this so I can show you in reality what it looks like. But I believe we're all creative people watching this video, so you get what I'm trying to say. So and like, ooh, happiness is subjective. Ooh, I choose to be happy with him. You can also add no matter what. Do do. They now make the beat up, like you need a sound engineer actually. It goes do 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 do, like something fast paced. But when it doesn't want to play fair, doom 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 doom. Take it high, decrease. I know it hits. Boom. How do I make him see he is my happiness? Then flash the book. Boom. See, very easy. And you can do this on PowerPoint, or you can even do this on Canva. Canva offers lovely animation, so your text can fly in, fly out. You can get your pictures to fly in, fly out. You can add different effects to it, and it's actually even faster than when you decide to shoot a video, looking for the perfect video to shoot it. Then which other one again can you work with? You can also, so this is text and image. You can just make use of sound and a black background and just put your images. So yeah, feel free to hit me up. Let me know whatever project you decide to do with this example I just shared. And this actually was just me sitting down and thinking to myself, because a friend actually reached out to me and was like, oh, I love your trailer, I'd like to create one. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to create a video. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. What do you think about this video? Thanks a lot for watching. Till the next video on writing, publishing, and books. You can also stop by to watch my videos on Sex on Fridays. Happy writing, happy video and thriller making.